Hey my boys, how are you all? Hope all will be fine. I'm doing very awesome trading. Welcome to another video. As you guys can see a picture on the system, this is the Jesus God Jesus picture. Here is the grace Almighty God always there. So we designed Jesus Holy Spike Killer system. Yeah, you heard me well. This system will give you a lot of good trading in signals, and you will make definitely good profit using this system. Yeah, of course. As you guys can see on screen, here is the spike signal, arrow appeared, waiting for a spike. We are holding this trade, a boom 300. Not gonna open any trade, we're just showing you the accuracy. We updated this system and more accurate, less signal but more accurate. As you guys can see on screen, less signals but the accuracy is on next level. As the derivative updated the algorithm, also we did the update in this system. Now you guys can see the Jesus spike killer system is really on way. I'll be waiting for a spike. As you guys can see, the arrow just here. Always you guys just need to follow the spike system signal. The spikes will appear anytime. There's no time of spike appearance, but the stop loss will be 4 candles, 3 candles, 2 candles. Look here guys, a spike appeared. This is what's the power. This is what actually the system, and this is what we claim. Professional tool. This is the first version of Jesus spike killer system. This is Jesus holy spike system. With Almighty God grace, we're gonna make awesome profit. Let me show you the system inputs. Here you guys can see a files. Some as usual. Look here. This is the spike killer input. It will work on M1 time frame. Boom and crush all 6 pairs with professional email alert notification with password and activation key protection. For more details, check the description, chat with us.